Qura AI just hit the market, and if you're curious about what it offers, you're in the right place. I've tested a ton of AI tools, and today we're diving into what makes Qura AI stand out, what you absolutely need to know about it before you dive in. By the end, you'll know if it's the right fit for you. Stay tuned, because I'll also show you where you can try it for free, and share some key takeaways on whether it's worth your time. First things first, Qura AI is a powerful tool that blends artificial intelligence with user-centric features designed to help you automate tasks across various business functions. Whether you're handling customer support, lead generation, or content creation, Qura AI promises to make things more efficient, and I'm going to break down exactly how it does that. Now, one of the first things you'll notice is how intuitive the interface is. If you've used other AI tools before, you'll appreciate that Qura AI doesn't require a steep learning curve. It's designed for businesses of all sizes, whether you're a small startup or an established enterprise. The setup process is quick, and it doesn't overwhelm you with complicated features. When it comes to capabilities, Qura AI shines with its versatility. From intelligent chatbots to automated workflows, it can handle repetitive tasks effortlessly. Imagine cutting down hours spent on customer inquiries or routine admin work with AI doing it for you. The chatbot feature is one of the standout elements. It doesn't just respond to queries. It can learn from interactions, providing more relevant answers over time. This makes it ideal for businesses looking to scale their operations without hiring an army of employees. Next up, speed. Qura AI operates faster than many other tools on the market. Whether you're looking at data processing, generating reports, or responding to customers, everything happens quickly and smoothly. The AI is built to handle large volumes of data without slowing down, which is a huge plus if you're managing a growing business. One of the most useful features is its integration with other platforms. Qura AI seamlessly integrates with CRM systems, social media platforms, and even your email marketing tools. This means you're not dealing with siloed systems or jumping between platforms. All your data, actions, and insights are centralized in one place. It allows for more streamlined workflows and saves you time. Now, let's talk pricing. Unlike many AI tools that can get pretty expensive, Qura AI is priced competitively, especially considering the range of features it offers. Plus, they offer a free trial, meaning you can test out all the features and see if it works for you before committing. You can grab that free trial link in the description below. Security is another area where Qura AI excels. The software uses top-tier encryption to ensure your business data is secure. Whether you're dealing with sensitive customer information or internal business processes, you can rest easy knowing that Qura AI has you covered on that front. As for customer support, Qura AI offers 24/7 support, so no matter where you are in the world, you can get the help you need. From troubleshooting to strategic advice on how to get the most out of the platform, they're there when you need them. Lastly, Qura AI isn't just for businesses in tech or marketing. It's a versatile tool that can benefit a wide range of industries. Whether you're in e-commerce, healthcare, education, or real estate, Qura AI can be tailored to suit your specific needs. To sum it up, Qura AI has all the hallmarks of a great AI tool: intuitive design, powerful features, fast performance, integrations, security, and excellent support. It's an easy recommendation for anyone looking to boost their productivity with the latest AI tech. And you can try it completely free by clicking the first link in the description. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and Qura AI has made its mark as one of the best just released AI softwares. You'll find other recommended tools in the description below. Check them out and start experimenting with AI to optimize your workflow today.